so Yellow Submarine, it's an RPG tabletop game store, and it's a bit difficult to find, just a bit. So when you're in, this is the Akihabara location. When you're in Akihabara, you're going to walk off the main street, follow your GPS, walk off the main street, and your GPS will lead you to a large building. I think it's 7 floors tall. Yellow Submarine was not immediately visible to me from the exterior of the building. So I walked around several times, big surprise. I walk into the building and then I see on the small placard, Yellow Submarine, top floor, 7th floor, I think it was. And so you'll take the escalator up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, make it to the top floor, and there is Yellow Submarine. If you're going for RPG manuals, books, don't get your hopes up. When I saw photos online, I was expecting wall-to-wall of RPG books, but the display that was there in actuality, this again is the Akihabara location, was what? Single display, 10 feet long, something like that. So not a lot of options. There was one shadowrun book, there were some new Dungeons and Dragons, and Pathfinder, and those sort of popular ones, and so there are a few that would be recognizable, and in Japanese, so that's a pretty neat souvenir for your GMs at home. But yeah, a bit surprised. On the other hand, if you enjoy the Warhammer type tabletoping games, definitely worth checking out. Heavy on the model side, way heavy on the model side. There's also trading card games, your TCGs and all that. But if you're going for RPG, and that's the only reason you're headed there, then you may want to reconsider. But I don't know. I think it's worth checking out because while Yellow Submarine's on the top floor, there are other vendors on the other floors which have an interesting variety of goods, shall we say. It's Akihabara, so you can imagine a lot of anime and idol and these sorts of things. So for the sheer curiosity, you may want to check it out. In fact, I think there was a tour going through the shopping center, the building, while I was there. So in that sense, it may be worth your while. But yeah, Yellow Submarine, just when you find the large building, go in, head up to the top floor, and you'll see it in katakana, Yellow Submarine. But yeah, friendly staff, everyone's pretty cool. They speak very, very basic English, at least from my experience. So yeah, have fun. Good luck finding those handbooks.